What is istisna in Islamic contracts? Have you ever wondered how Islamic finance manages contracts for things that haven't even been built yet? Let's talk about istisna, a unique contract in Islamic banking. Istisna is primarily used for manufacturing or construction projects. In this contract, a buyer places an order for an asset that does not yet exist. The buyer specifies detailed requirements and agrees on a future delivery date. Think of it as a forward sale contract. The seller, who could be a manufacturer or builder, agrees to produce or construct the asset according to the buyer's specifications. This contract is essential for projects like buildings, machinery, or custom goods. One key aspect of istisna is that the subject of the contract must always be something that requires manufacturing or construction. The manufacturer usually uses their own materials to create the asset. It's vital that the quality, quantity, and specifications of the asset are clearly defined. This helps to avoid any disputes later on. The purchase price is fixed and agreed upon by both parties at the time of contracting. Payment terms can be flexible. The buyer might pay in advance, in installments, or upon delivery of the asset. The manufacturer is responsible for delivering the asset within the agreed timeframe. They can also delegate parts of the work, but they must supervise the process. Unlike typical sales of existing goods, the asset in an istisna contract does not exist at the time of the agreement. This makes it quite different from other types of contracts. From an Islamic finance perspective, istisna is compliant with Shariah rules. It avoids interest and uncertainty by clearly defining the terms of production, price, and delivery. In modern Islamic banking, istisna is widely used for project finance and infrastructure development. For example, it can be used to build houses, ships, airplanes, or large machinery. A practical application involves a bank entering into an istisna agreement with a customer to manufacture an asset. The bank may pay upfront or in deferred payments. Once the asset is completed and delivered, the bank can sell it or use it according to its financing goals. Additionally, istisna allows for a parallel contract arrangement. After the bank contracts with a manufacturer, it may enter into a separate istisna contract with a third party to sell the asset. However, these contracts remain independent, and the performance of one does not depend on the other. In essence, istisna is a contract for commissioning manufacture or construction with agreed specifications, price, and delivery date. It serves as a key instrument in Islamic trade finance and project development under Shariah rules.